Hey, what's up guys? Your Khan back again. So in this video, I'm going to show you my Clickbank, this week's Clickbank success as well as what I learned from my failures in the past. So as you could see, this is my page and made $1,000 this week. As I told you in my first video in goals, write down your goals every day. And in my goals, I wrote down I would make $1,000 every day on Clickbank. So now this is per week and inshallah for sure I'm going to make per day. Okay, so now this video is not about me boasting, look how much money I made, how much profits I made. No, it's very simple. I've written down a list where I'm going to show you what I learned from my failures and other things, very important things if you want to become successful in Clickbank. The first thing is learn from your failures. Okay guys, I know you all are experimenting, testing a lot of ads. Just keep one thing in mind, that one ad is not working, don't run it again. Okay, the same mistake what I did, there was this one product, Sonus Complete. Okay, so no, Steel Bite Pro. Yeah, Steel Bite Pro. My friend was promoting it, he was making good money. I thought I'll also promote it. He told me you can go I was promoting the same way, but I didn't make money. Okay, I spent almost $100 on it, and then that's it guys. And still I was like, no, I want to spend more, I'll make some money. No guys, just if there are things where it doesn't work for you, it won't work for you. Don't try to push it more. So again guys, set a checklist as well. So let's say I'm gonna spend $50 per ad set. That's it. Okay, not more than that. If I make money, I'll continue it. If I don't make money, I won't continue it. Okay, so create a checklist just like this. Learn from your failures. If some ads are not working, don't restart it again, just leave it as it is. Focus on your success, focus on your strengths, don't focus on your weaknesses. So again, the ads which are working, focus on that. Learn from your failures. And then the last thing would be ad spy. Okay, spy on your competition. Okay, spy and just don't copy exactly as it is. As I told you, for Steel Bite Pro, I did the same thing. I copied exactly the same thing, exactly the same keywords, but he was making money, I didn't make money. So try to add some changes to it. But model success. If I tell you need to build a car today, okay, you don't have to think something very weird. There are cars on the street. Okay, something similar, something much better. That's it guys. And then that's it guys. I think so this is all for this video, and this is my Clickbank earnings right now. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you would like to learn more about how to do keyword research. Everything is simple. The thing is just do it and never give up, and learn from your failures. So that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful, and guys let me know in comments what all videos you need to do. One more thing, people tell me to do a lot of case studies. So for me right now, I feel I'm not comfortable because I'm making profits, but I need to feel confidence about myself as well, that whatever information I'm giving is 100% correct. There are other YouTube videos right now you can go and check, but for me I would feel like once I know what am I doing, because right now as well for me I'm on the same boat guys, doing trial and error. Something's working for me, something's not working for me. So I think so this week I made $500, but I was experimenting a lot. So I lost $200-300 in experimenting, running different ads. I would say I'm just learning from experience, but I know as you could see, slowly and steadily I know what's working, what's not working. So that's it. Once I know everything, and then for sure I'm going to create a case study, as well as just create some small course where you could go and check it out. And that's it guys. Yaur Khan signing off.